What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this video I will share important news and updates about the Pi Network coin. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, in this video, step by step, I will share the important news and updates about the Pi Network coin. So guys, before jumping to the news of Pi Network coin, let's cover the market of cryptocurrency. This is the coin market cap. This is the $3.44 trillion is the market cap of cryptocurrency. 5.32% of the market is just dropped in the last 24 hours. There is Bitcoin $96,000, Ethereum $3,680, XRP 2.15, Solana 2.15, 214.15, and there is BNB, Dogecoin. This is Cardano, Tron, Avalanche. Each and everything is happening. So guys, bad thing is happening to the market of cryptocurrency because 800 million is just liquidated the last 24 hours in the market of cryptocurrency. So guys, let's navigate to the Pi Network price. 14.72%. The price of the Pi Network coin just decreased, and right now it is $54 that you can see it here. So guys, overall something big is coming for the market of cryptocurrency, and right now the candle is showing, you can see guys, right now it is on move, and let's see what will happen. Currently the market is getting ready for the big move also. So the very first news, you can see guys, Pi will not launch. Nicholas wasted the past 6 years of his life building Pi app, Pi browser, Pi wallet, Pi blockchain explorer, Pi KYC developer portal, brainstorm, fireside forum, profiles, etc., just to keep hidden away from the world. This is something that they have sent a message to this guy. You can see guys, this is completely a fact message that I think I can see the big potential. I can see the potential in the Pi Network coin, and I have trust that the Pi Network will launch the open mainnet. It is something guys. There is the Pi core team previously tested the wallet on the mainchain network. No surprise, we will publish the details and test data of the main network in the next week. Forward the article and follow. Pi GCR random wallet address can get 100 Pi. There is road to the open network. October 19, Pi Note version 0.5.0 has been released. A major update preparing nodes for the mainnet blockchain, simulating the mainnet environment and testing the switch between testnet and mainnet blockchains. Nodes are the head of decentralization for the Pi blockchain, accessible to any pioneers with a computer connected to the internet, and their progress is vital for achieving Pi Network's vision as we progress towards open network in 2024. November 7, protocol version 22.0.0, Stellar Consensus Protocol is Stellar Core has been released. This protocol v22 will support Soroban and the smart contract platform used by Pi Network on the Stellar network. November 11, 4 days after protocol v22 was released, transaction testing in the testnet 2 Pi Network environment stopped. This indicating the testnet 2 environment is preparing for the upgrade following the mainnet v22 Stellar environment. The lost transaction was recorded on the GDCU wallet in block this November 11, 2024 at 9:13 p.m. For our information, the testnet 2 environment is still running using the protocol v18. The testnet 2 environment is comparable to the mainnet environment after the successful upgrade and testing the testnet 2 the mainnet environment, which soon follows suit. Overall, on December 11, exactly 1 month after testnet 2 transaction, testnet is stopped. In the December 12, first incubator program ends after running for 12 weeks. There is, you can see, Pi migration update. Pi migration is going on at a current speed of 4,300 accounts per hour. You can see guys, this is something that you can see right now. It is in front of you. My personal view, why we are hitting the 10 million migrated accounts target, which is the third criterion. This is insufficient coin balance. Many coins pioneers, especially recent or less active ones, may not have accumulated enough coins to meet the migration threshold. There is without almost 15 million KYC pioneers, the system may be overwhelmed, leading the gradual rather than simultaneous migration. There is the 7 days Pi IOU price update. Over the past week, the Pi IOU price saw significant growth, reaching a high of approximately $65, representing 38.28%. Increasing within the 7-day period, the price has increased since established around the average of $60. Mainnet opening update Pi core team has revealed that in the December they will announce the Mainnet Open roadmap, officially connecting the blockchain network and enabling official Pi transaction. This is something, guys. This is something very beautiful that you can see. Downloads of the Pi network application is right now. This is the 9 December 2024 downloads per day. This is something that you can see, guys. Over daily downloads could surge to 150,000 to 200,000 as more people rush in. This is something, guys, that you can see. Depending on the maturity of the enclosed network economy and the progress of the KYC, this period may begin on the Pi day March 14, 2022, Pi today June 28, 2022, or later. The open network period means the firewall is enclosed network period will be removed, allowing external connectivity. There is you can see, guys, 50 million Pi coins are being transferred from GBQQ wallet to GIBT wallet. The migration is ongoing. This is something you can see, guys, with the proof. Breaking, many pioneers will not understand this, but pioneers need to understand that the most cost of their development is huge, and since the enclosed mainnet never ends, or to God probably won't be able, only one have to shut down his app. The solution is actually quite simple. The PCT needs to, as I said years ago, launch the open mainnet immediately and then continue the KYC migration on the side. There is the growing interest in the Pi network reflects that it is increasingly popularity and potential in the cryptocurrency space, and underscores the significance of Pi network mission and its appeal to individuals seeking financial empowerment and opportunities in the digital economy. There are 23 days left until the Pi network open mainnet launch, and let's see what will happen to that. According to a subscriber, Nicholas left the meeting after being questioned about the opening of network. I do not know the information, neither does my source. We want confirmation from the more. Retweet as much as possible, find response from the more. There is Crypto Potato just uploaded a article about the Pi network coin on their official website. Let's check this. Pi network news recap December 9th. There is the Pi network has surpassed 100 million app downloads, with 14 million users completing KYC verification, leaving 1 million more than to meet the December 31 deadline for the open network. There is the Pi core team's December roadmap announced for the mainnet open launch in a highly anticipated. Through past delays have sparked community expectations. The recent developments are here, guys. I will provide the link of this article in the below down description. You can check that about the Pi network coin. Overall, new listing on Hobby. Pi listing is confirmed. You can see exchange has been confirmed. That let's see what will happen to this. And the next thing is, guys, migration wallet has been loaded, with many pioneers passing KYC fully from tentative KYC. Many pioneers are getting migrated. Complete checklist now and get ready to be migrated. Also, guys, Pi core team has already congratulated pioneers ahead of the open network this year. Check the picture below to view their official. This is congrats to everyone in the community for helping us progress to the mainnet. So, guys, this is something about the Pi network coin. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.